Levittown Fire Pony 1629 with a shed fire. 154 Ranch Lane to Old Oak and Crest. Box is 6251, stations 1, 3, and rescue. That sounds like you're going to work. 623, go to the rear of Levittown Memorial.
101. You also got the shed at 152, and it looks like 154 are both on fire.
Are you on station 2 also?
Oh, we got station 1 and 3 right now?
We got 1, 6, 1, 7, and 3 on the road.
We can handle that.
Perfect.
700. 7, come down Ranch Lane. We'll fight it from this side, and we'll have 3 on the other side.
Alright, 23, Chief, you got it.
On the shed.
23, multiple explosions.
402, we have a firefighter hurt right now. Command, engine 2, what do you want us, ranch or island trees?
Come to Memorial, behind the back parking lot.
Alright, we're on our way.
1001.
01.
Get 6218 on the air and have them report back to Ranch Lane.
So you also got Wantaw coming to the scene.
I have another firefighter injured on Ranch Lane.
218-6210.
I was positive about the third one. We got the 2 buses taking a look at the 2 in the Memorial parking lot, and we are waiting for another bus to take care of the other one.
It's 23, you got Wantaw coming in. You want me to get another bus to stand by?
Yeah, 23. You have Wantaw come in off of, what street is that? Old Oak.
23, off of Old Oak.
Sophie, you ready for water? Go.
6918. 6918 coming off of Old Oak.
62501, do not block the road.
Go ahead, 10.
Where you going?
Medical center.
23. Command post copy, 628, going to Med Center.
23, they got 1, right?
28, you got 1 or 280.
We have 1 right now.
They're going with 1.
23.